From finance to human resources and healthcare to consumer packaged goods, organizations and professionals are clamoring for a solution that provides instant self-serve access to data wherever it resides, without the heavy burden of configuration and maintenance. That solution is Magnitude Gateway. The wide range of Magnitude standard adapters handle basic connectivity by providing modular access to data sources with an emphasis on simplified configuration and connectivity management. Providing more than just access to raw data, business-friendly Magnitude intelligent adapters come with an enriched schema for the data source, supplying a business view of the underlying data and greatly simplifying reporting and analysis. High-performance Magnitude universal drivers enable users to quickly and easily gain access to an array of application and data source-specific adapters through a single standards-based ODBC or JDBC driver. The Magnitude Gateway platform ties all of this together, serving as the foundational component, delivering a core set of services for access to today's most popular data sources. Simple data access for business users. Simple implementation and maintenance for IT and ISVs. Magnitude Gateway. Data connectivity reimagined. Visit us at simba.com to schedule your demo today.